Another example for simplifying using trigonometric identities. Here is we have 1 minus cosine square x over tangent square x plus 2 sine square x. And we need to simplify. So please, if you see 1 minus cosine square x, close your eyes and replace sine square. And I'll tell you why. Here's, look. Let's do it. So 1 minus cosine square x. We need to find that it's sine square. Look, you know that sine square plus cosine square equals 1. Okay. And then if you subtract cosine square from both sides, what happened here? Sine square equals 1 minus cosine square. So when you see 1 minus cosine square, just replace sine square. Let's do that here. Okay. So 1 minus cosine square will be sine square. Sine square of x. Easier. Divided by tangent square. We could convert tangent to be sine over cosine. What about that? Yeah, it will work. Trust me. Tangent will be sine square over cosine square. So it's a sine square over cosine square. Yes. This is the term of tangent. This is the term of 1 minus cosine. Everything now is clear. Okay. Plus, bring down 2 sine square x for now. Let's deal with that. Sine square divided by sine square over cosine square. Just cancel out sine square with sine square. So it will be 1 over, this is 1 over cosine square. 1 over 1 cosine square, just reciprocal. Remember, 1 over 1/2 is 2. 1 over 1/3 or a third equals 3. Your reciprocal. So reciprocal 1 over cosine square to be cosine square. So the whole thing here will be cosine square x. Plus, before you copy that, do you think about something? Before you copy 2 sine square, can you do something with 2 sine square? Huh? I hear some of you. Yeah, we could split it to be sine square plus sine square. Strategy. 2 of sine square equals 1 sine square plus sine square. You see now the identity came up. Yes, the identity came up. Look. Sine square plus cosine square. Fantastic. Equals what? I hear you. Equals what? 1. Plus, just drag down sine square x. This is the final formula that we simplify. So we simplify 1 minus cosine square tangent over tangent square x plus 2 sine square x. We simplify it to be 1 plus sine square x.